Well, you've made it to the last unit of this course, finalizing the research paper part 2. Congratulations! Your main focus this week should be completing the Unit 10 individual project. If you've already worked with the Smart Thinking Tutor, that's great. Don't forget to save a screenshot or download of your email confirmation, feedback, or session information. That's because you will need to submit evidence of working with a Smart Thinking Tutor along with your final draft. Are you running out of time and can only work on a portion of the IntelliPath lessons this week? Well, you may want to use some of that time to complete these 4 lessons that are designed specifically to support you as you revise your final draft. Revising an argument essay overview, evaluating word choice, revising sentences, and proofreading and polishing. Here are some final tips for success as you begin this last week of the course. Be very strategic with your time and energy. Use tools such as Smart Thinking Tutors, resources and tips in the IntelliPath lessons, editing tools in Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and the knowledge and support of your instructor to your advantage. Push yourself to complete this course and take one step closer to your professional goals. You can do this.